Yo, what's good, guys? Producer Mykah here, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys my top 3 bass plugin, and I'm gonna show you guys also how I use these amazing plugins. So without wasting time, guys, let's go. And I have this beat, I have this beat already made, and it just needs some bass, and I'm gonna be applying those different basses on this particular beat. So let's listen to what the beat sounds like, and then we just go into seeing how we can, bring in those amazing bass plugins. So the first bass that I love using is this bass from Omnisphere called Clip Sign Bass, and it's under the synth bass section. And I'm just gonna be playing some groove with it. This is what it sounds like. And I just love the way, I love the way the bass slides. So, doing now. And we're in the key of C. So I'm just gonna, I think we're starting on our 2. So we'll have our 2. Yeah, so I'm just gonna follow what the progression is playing. Yeah, I think we'll go to our 3. Then we'll go to our 6. Yeah, so then to our 5. So something like this. So you can see how we just, give it the whole, the whole intro, that solid low end. So I think we could just copy this, and for this I could just play around. What I just love to do, since the bass, since this bass slides, I just love playing around with the slide. So I could create something like this. I need it to slide on this note, so I can just create something like this. So so you have to be with your headphones, to be able to feel this vibe, man. Like to really hear what is happening in the low end. So we have that slide. So I could slide again here, just, and what I'm doing, I'm just adding my note up, so I could have like a double slide here. I'm just playing around with the slide. Just depends on what what you want. So we could have something like this. Yeah, so just playing around. So I just love that slide. Yeah, so this is just, this can be one of the bass. We just have this for our intro. Yeah, this is a vibe, this is a vibe. So then for the verse, I could just bring in a different bass. Yeah, so I'm gonna be using sub-boom bass for this, which is like my second, most favorite bass, my sub-boom bass. And I'm just gonna be using this sequencer. I'm just gonna be using this first, the first preset. Once you load up, sub-boom bass, and all I just did was to turn off the sequencer, because with the sequencer turned on, we have like a loop. Yeah, so with the sequencer turned off, we have like single notes. So for this bass idea too, we're just gonna be creating like a groove for the, and this can also serve like, my conga bass. So in case you don't have conga bass, but you have this, sub-boom bass, you could just play around with this preset, because it sounds almost like the conga bass. So yeah, we have this. So we go to our verse. So I can just have it. So I could just play around with it. It just depends on all what what you're hearing in your head, basically. So yeah, come. So I'm just, yeah, so I'm just, let's see. So I'm just playing around basically, not much stress. So just showing that this is another bass. So we can have like our intro starting with, the solid. Then we go into the verse, the second bass. In order to feel this vibe, man. Yep. So for this next part, I could come back with, my other bass. Yep. So I'm just doing some, playing around with some slides, and this what I have. Just. Yeah, so I don't need the slide. I just need, the notes, just like having a basis. Having a basis, play some nice solos. So yeah, I just need it to be like, yeah, so something like that. Yeah. The next bass, trillion bass. I'm gonna be in trillion bass. I love trillion bass, man. So and there's this preset I love, which is called the Fender preset. And what I do when I just see a preset I really like, so instead of trying to remember the name every time, I just what is it called? Save it as a new preset, So whenever I want to use that preset, I don't start looking for the name, or maybe I forget the name. It's gonna be very difficult. So all you just need to do, once you have a preset like this, all you just need to do is come over here. You'll see presets and save preset as, so you can save it and just give it whatever name you want to give it. Yeah. So this is what the preset sounds like. And if you've been following my tutorials, you already know this preset. So we're just gonna create some groove with it. Second, let's just bring down the velocity. Yeah, so I'm just yeah, so just something like this. We have, yeah, hey. Yep, so I'm not focused on the beat, I'm just focused on our bass. So we have like three different bass creating 4 different ideas. So we have the first bass, which is like our clip sign bass. Then we have, the sub boom bass. Then we have another, clip sign bass. Hey. So yeah, together with the whole beat, let's just put in our bass. So let's listen. Even though I'm playing the same thing all through, the bass is just creating that variations here and there, man. Vibes. Yep, guys, so this is, these are like my go-to bass plugins, and the various ways I use these plugins. So I just use them to create different variations, when I'm making beats, and you can always try them out and let me know what you guys think. If you love videos like this, where I show, my plugins, just let me know in the comment section. And if you love videos like this, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you are yet to subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.